Minister. Now, the GST Council will meet on Monday to deliberate on a number of crucial issues, from taxing gateway fee for small card transactions to deliberating on the tax treatment for insurance premiums. The Council has its plate full. And our colleague Timsy Jaipuria, who over the past few days has been bringing you all the inside stories on what the GST Council is likely to take up on its agenda, is here with the big curtain raiser. Timsy.
Well, a slew of items on the agenda for the GST Council when it meets on 9th of September. Let's take you through some of the key ones. The Council is likely to have a heated discussion on cutting GST on health and life insurance. Council will discuss Fitment Committee's proposal to allow GST exemption for only pure term individual life policies and reinsurers, which comes with a revenue implication of 213 crore rupees. For health insurance, sources say that the Fitment Committee could not build a consensus, and thus it has suggested a four-option mechanism, including a complete exemption for senior citizens and for policies up to 5 lakh rupees, or exemption to only those premiums which are paid by senior citizens, or reducing GST on all health insurance premiums to 5% with ITC. The Fitment Committee has flagged the potential revenue implications for all of these options, saying that any cut or reduction in the GST on both life or health insurance should come only when it is being passed on to the policy holders. The Council could also clarify on whether 18% GST should be levied for card transactions below 2,000 rupees on payment aggregators such as Pine Labs, Razorpay, etc. The Council nominated Fitment Committees of a view that these aggregators are intermediaries and not banks or financial institutions, thus they are not liable for GST exemption. Currently, payment aggregators are exempt from GST for transactions below 2,000 rupees. The Council will also be taking a status update on the Group of Ministers panel on rate rationalization and real estate, where both the panels are likely to seek more time before presenting a final report. The Council will also discuss upon the current status of the compensation cess. Here, the Council will be presented with a view that the cess collections are still short of about 1.37 lakh crore rupees, and thus will have to be continued through FY26. Apart from this, a lot of clarifications are expected, including a breather for the foreign airlines, data hosting sector, namkeen and FMCG sector, and auto and two-wheeler industry on the taxation of seats, relief for power discoms and consumers on electricity connection ancillary services, setback for highway builders, and much more. So let's see what all does the Council decide when it meets on 9th of September.